Hi everyone. The 2020 Ducati Superleggera V4 certainly gets all the bells and whistles, and then some. It is for starters the world's only homologated bike with a carbon chassis. Its dry weight is just 159 kilograms. A mighty 15 kilograms weight saving over the Panigale V4S. Those biplane wings create more downforce than Ducati's GP20 MotoGP bike, while its quoted power with its Akrapovic race exhaust installed is 234 bhp. And yet, with the road-legal exhaust that's supplied alongside the race system fitted, you can ride it to the shops without the law so much as batting an eyelid. This is a machine capable of lapping within a few seconds of a top-flight factory race bike and being ridden on the road, both legally and easily. On top of that, it looks stunning and has a soul and character of its own. This is the poster bike for the next generation. This machine is an exercise in extremism and one-upmanship, and Ducati have shown us what they've got. The ease and efficiency of the way the Superleggera slows, turns and rolls into corners, and changes direction between them is a whole new level. Brake late, accelerate early, miss your apex or mess up a line, and the Superleggera is there to pick up the pieces. Mid-corner there is simply endless grip and feedback. At 168 miles per hour, the Superleggera's extraordinary biplane wings produce 50 kilograms of downforce, enough to markedly improve stability and reduce wheelies, thus allowing harder acceleration and braking as well as a faster corner entry. The liquid smooth Stradale motor loves to rev. Peak power is at 15,250 revolutions per minute and peak torque at 11,750 revolutions per minute, but the V4 will carry on going to 16,000 revolutions per minute with a rev limiter in 6th gear at a giddy 16,500 revolutions per minute. Upshifts are seamless and instant, and each flick of the left foot unleashes another tidal wave of power. But while this Ducati might have the power of the factory's V4 WSB contender, it remains usable and smooth. It's genuinely easy to ride. Finished in a deep red and draped with gorgeous satin black carbon wherever you look, the fit and finish of the Superleggera is exceptional. The carbon chassis saves 1.2 kilograms. Carbon wheels account for another 3.4 kilograms saving, while a new carbon swing arm shaves off a further 0.9 kilogram. The subframe is 1.2 kilograms lighter. Carbon bodywork knocks off another 1.1 kilograms, while new hlins suspension is 0.6 kilograms lighter. Courtesy of a titanium rear spring and machined aluminium fork bottoms, Ducati's weight-saving engineers have removed 2.8 kilograms from the Stradale V4 motor, while the road-legal Akrapovic exhaust is 2.5 kilograms lighter than the standard V4's item. Even the rear sprocket nuts are titanium. The list goes on. But the result is a quoted 159 kilograms in road spec and 152.2 kilograms with its race face-on, lighter than a Yamaha MT-03 as well as Ducati's own factory V4s. There's also a full electronics suite to help keep the 221 rampant horses under control. Cornering apps, slide control, traction control, anti-wheelie, launch control, an up and down quick shifter, and changeable engine braking strategies. Rider aids can be trimmed and changed to meet personal demands. 3 additional new rider modes, Simply A, B, and Sport 2 are track-specific. The third for the road. A new race GP- mode, for track use only, which shows lap times, splits, and riders' aids. Thanks for watching.